Hello friends, welcome back. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how we can group worksheets or how we can edit multiple worksheets at a time. Hey, if you are new into my channel, make sure you have pressed the subscribe button below. If you like this video, don't forget to press the like button. And if you have any questions related to Excel and VBA, you can write down in the comment section. Let's begin. You can group worksheet in Excel if you want to edit multiple worksheets at the same time. You can see our worksheet contains only 4 sheets. One is north, the second one is mid, and the third one is south, and fourth one is sheet 4. Okay. To group worksheets, just press the Ctrl and select the tab of the sheet what you want to group. Then now I'm changing first column B2 sales value from 21228 to 1000, and we are deleting column 4. Now I am going to check is the changes is happening in mid or south worksheet or not. So let's click on the mid worksheet. You can see the column 4 is deleted here and the value has been changed. How you can ungroup? For ungrouping, you can right click here and you can select this ungroup sheets. Else you can do anything. You can click any of the worksheets which are not in this group. So sheet 4 is not in this group. So what I will do, I will click in sheet 4 and all the sheets will be ungrouped. So let's check. See, everything is ungrouped here. That's it for this video. Thank you.